What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Viviana Monique, and I'm back with another video. This video is basically me just cleaning up my house, cause child, it look a mess. As you guys can see, it's just stuff everywhere. But I am cleaning my living room, my kitchen, and my dining room. Nothing too dramatic, and I am putting away my Halloween decorations and putting up my Christmas decorations. Okay, but I don't know if I showed that in this video, but I did show me putting up my Christmas tree that I just bought. If you guys watched my last video, right here I'm just dancing to Sexy Red and Drake, Put Your Hands on Your Knees. Yeah, this my okay. So yeah, y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And let's get right into this cleaning, okay?
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes, all smarter than that. Too naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we'll lose one thing. But now I'm moved on, because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spinning with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Myself, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spinning. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me how to have seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say excuse me, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say are you tryna leave this? I said I gotta answer you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend to flow this hours. You say you don't really dance, you just want to stop. Now with the music is moving too fast, now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. So she gets where she is, I gotta stop her. Tryna leave you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. Just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all ladies, man, like this. Make it bounce like this. You know she's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait, baby.
Love it, do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. That's when it gets to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet for the nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride. Show you outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get right. Wanna drive you crazy. Put it inside the bed. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way then but some maze. Don't be rubbing that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot in the palace. This type shit have you wildin'. That's when it gets to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet for the nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right. Oh yeah, you know you shine on time. Baby, bring it to me, shine on light. No nigga want just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that. You can tell me to be right on time. Baby, bring it to me, shine on light. Put it in overtime and overdrive it.
Dímelo, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow like a trumpet. I can do it all. I can really suck a watermelon to a straw. Believe me, every other day you make new hair. Come take me out to the smooth player. I be waiting on you from long to raise up down low like bombs to red war. Nothing but a war in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone when you working. Boy, you gotta see the person leading.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it 'cause I come to defeat. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Man, blue sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still saying what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They gon' wanna start fake beef. Instead of low beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They took me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta
I can't believe I believed everything we had, but less so young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes, all smarter than that. Something naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when lose within. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took about that from now on. I won't be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies in the family help me sing it out. I'm staying with you. Yeah, you heard me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies in the family help me sing it out. I'm staying. You heard me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me how have you seen love? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, cause the first I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say excuse me, Miss and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say I know you're trying to leave this. I saw my dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast, now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. There's something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say so you're trying to leave this. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say so you're trying to leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, like she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, tryna leave. to me.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait, baby.
Love me like do 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 do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit heavy wine. That's when it gets exciting. Drip 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 when you slide it. Flip flip flip, baby, ride it.